Now we come to the next part of the video, 8th standard mathematics. So we are at algebra, worksheet number 6. Choose the best answer. The first question is the product of 4x square and minus 3y square. So as you know, plus into minus is minus. So there are 3 options in minus. And if we multiply the numbers, 4 3s are 12. There are 3, all the option has 12, but we will follow these 3. Then we can see x power, there are 2x here and 1x here. So it becomes x power 3. So there is only one option for x power 3. So you can take this. Next, the next question is a bus fare of an adult and child is 8 rupees and 5 rupees. Then the total fare of adult and child. So as many adult, 8 into x plus 5 into y is the right option. Then volume equal to LBH, L is equals to 3x, B is equals to 5y, H is equals to 2z. So volume formula, as you know, L into B into H, just multiply the numbers. So it becomes 30xyz. Next question. It is the box, the empty box that is filling the blanks. So what you have to see, we have to see the product. So as you can see, there is a minus. So both sides we have minus. So we don't need to calculate minus sign. This is 8. 4 2s are 8. So the constant is also correct. This is a power 3. This is a power 2. So one of the a is missing. So as you can see, all the terms contain a. Then b. There is b power 1 and this side there is only one b power. So both the b's are balanced. C power 4, C power 3. So only one c is missing in the left side. So the box is AC. Okay. The expansion of 2m 3m square minus 4n plus 7. Question number 5. The expansion of this is 6m cube minus 8mn plus 14n. We multiply 2 inside and m inside. Next we are coming to the match the following. So as you can see, this is 3x square, 4x minus 4x. So this is 3x square minus 4x, x power 0. So same question. So 2x plus 3 to a square minus b square formula. So a plus b, a minus b. So that is 4x square minus 9. So 2x plus y minus 4x plus 2y. So we have to arrange this and multiply. So it becomes this. 0 into anything becomes 0. So this is the fourth option. When do we call a polynomial as a binomial? Give an example. We call a polynomial when it has 2 terms. So these are the 2 examples. Any 2 example you can write. Next we are coming to the question number 8. Question number 8, is this a polynomial? No, this is not a polynomial because any polynomial is in the form of this and this and none of them has x as denominator. Differentiate algebraic expression and polynomial. A polynomial is a special kind of algebraic expression. The difference between the algebraic expression and the polynomial is it may contain the whole number, fractional number, everything. But polynomial should contain only the whole number. So there can be y in the denominator, but there cannot be x in the denominator. Okay. Now next we come to question number 10. The side of the chessboard is 8x centimeter. Find its area. The chessboard is a square shaped and the side is given as 8x centimeter. So we write area of square is equals to 8x into 8x, that is 64x square centimeter square. Next we are coming to product. Product is 4x cube y. We need to multiply these 3 terms. So first we multiply the sign. So as you can see, there is one negative sign, so it's negative. 4 into 2 into 5. So 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. There are 3 plus 1, 4x, so x power 4. This is y power 1, y power 1, y power 1. So y power 3, z power 1. Okay. Then question number 12. Multiply 5x minus 4y square by minus 3x. So as you can see, minus 3x should be multiplied both the terms inside. Okay. So minus into plus minus, 3 5s are 15, x into x square. Then minus into minus becomes plus, 3 into 4 becomes 12, x into y square becomes xy square. Next part of the video we are coming to the dimension of the rectangular field are 4x plus y meter and 3x minus y meter. Find its area. So as you can see, length is given to you, breadth is given to you, write this as capital L and B. Area formula is this. So area we need to multiply. So 4x will be multiplied to the next bracket as a whole. Y will be multiplied to the next bracket as a whole. So as you can see, 4 into 3 12, x into x square. Then 4 into minus 4 x y y into 3x 3xy minus y square. So this becomes 12x square minus 4 plus 3 becomes minus xy minus y square. Okay, this is the answer. The product of a binomial and the monomial will be a binomial. Justify your answer. Yes, the product of a binomial and the monomial is a binomial. How? Consider a monomial. Very simple question. X binomial x plus y. Just multiply. It is a binomial. What is called as special polynomial? A special type of expression is called as special polynomial. Question number 16. Find the product of this and this. So as we complete this, find the product of this and this. So we are given minus 3a square b, 5abc, 3a minus 2a minus 3b. We multiply this with the other terms and 5abc with the other terms. We get this. Multiply x plus a, x plus b and x plus c. So as you can see, it is x plus a. So first we multiply these two part, x plus b and x plus c. So x into x plus c, b into x plus c. We write x plus a as it is. It has nothing to do with the product now. So after this we write x square minus cx plus bx, x into x square, cx plus bx plus bc. Then we multiply x square plus cx plus bx plus bc and a with the whole term. So hence therefore we get this. While arranging we see x cube, x square, there are three terms of x square. We arrange x square in this way. And then ab plus bc plus cax plus abc. Now prove that x square, x plus y the whole square minus x minus y the whole square is equals to 4xy. So we know that the formula which we are going to use it here is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So a is x plus y, b is x minus y. We substitute in a plus b and a minus b. X plus y plus x minus y, x plus y minus x minus y. So multiply minus inside, it becomes minus x plus y. If you forget this, you will fall into the wrong part of the answer. Okay, so now you can see. So this is the page number, so we do not, that is why I round it. Now x plus x 2x, so 2x has y plus y 2y, so 2 2s are 4 xy. Okay, okay, fine. Next we are coming to the second last part of the answer question. So question number 19, expand a plus b plus c the whole square. So a plus b plus c we write a into the whole bracket, b into the whole bracket and c into the whole bracket. Then a into a square, a into b ab, a into c ac, b into a ab, b into b b square, b into c bc, c into a ac, c into b bc, c into c c square. So it becomes a, first we arrange all these square terms. Then we see though there are two ab term, two bc term, two ca terms. Okay, question number 20. If x is equals to 2a plus 3b, y is equals to 2a minus 3b, find x minus y and x plus y. So x plus y is nothing but, first we find x plus y. It is 2a plus 3b, 2a minus 3b. We cancel 3b, 2a plus 2a, 4a. Then we come to x minus y. We subtract it, we write minus here and we multiply minus inside. So it becomes 6b as we subtract 2a and 2a. So x plus y into x minus y becomes 4a into 6b, which is nothing but 24ab. Thank you.